everyone, this is Brandon with Recast Software, and in this video I'm just going to show you how to connect right-click tools to the Recast Management Server. So within the Recast Software node, in the top right, under Installation Information, we can see that Remote Service Status is none, which just means that right-click tools isn't connected to my Recast Management Server. So what I'll do is I'll click on Configure Recast. Under RCT Enterprise Server, you'll just enter your Recast Management Server URL, including HTTPS, as well as the :444 for most. Click Save, click Yes, close the console, relaunch the console. If we go back to the Recast Software node, we can now see that we were able to successfully connect to the management server because Remote Server Status is now connected. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.